Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Scratch tutorial. So, if your button works something like this and then you click it and then it didn't have any effects, today I'll help you improve your button effects. Okay, let's get to start now. So right over here I haven't entered any block yet. You have the costume. Let's work on a code event show. And after that, you can do forever. It's gonna do if then else. If touching mouse pointer set you're just gonna use ghost effects and use like 50. Let's see. So right now I think that let me just gonna say set ghost effect on 0. Then you'll get something like this. So it's just like you're going to select this thing. I mean, you're just gonna click this thing now. It's just a symbol. Let's set it to 25. So over here. Now it looks like you're ready to click on this thing. Then you get this. So else set ghost effects to 0. So we're just gonna put another if and say and touching mouse pointer with mouse down. We're just going to use repeat. We'll use repeat just like 10 times or something, so it's not taking so long. Change ghost effects by 2 and duplicate this once again. You can do this by right click and click on duplicate, something like this here. And now you got this whole thing now. Wait. Here. Now you got this. Now it's good now, and the thing is, but we're still missing this thing, so we're just gonna hide this, and there you have it. But if you think that this is too fast, you may add the delay. But I recommend 0.0017 seconds. There we go. So now when I click play, something might display up. So let's make an example of a cat. Wait. Oh. Make an example of the cat. Just gonna hide it. When the button, click, we're just gonna broadcast. So go to event, broadcast message 1. Let's make this message called show the cat. And then just gonna when receive show the cat, just show the cat. So now you will get this. Yeah, there we go. And when you click it, boom, there we go. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn on notifications on so you never miss a video that I post. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to join my Discord server if you have any questions or you can't do this project. You can contact me there, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous.